Welcome to RD Home. I am Devender. In this video, we will discuss Class 8 Maths, Chapter 4 Exponents and Powers, Exercise 4.2, question number 1 and 2 solutions.
See here exercise 4.2 question number 1. Express the following in the standard form. Already in the previous class we have learned the standard form. Standard form should be in the form of a into 10 power n or not? Yes, a into 10 power n. A should be any digit from 1 to 9. Here n should be any integer. Once you can see here, see if you are writing this given number in standard form, the decimal point we can write here 9.47. Don't write 94.7 or 947. You should write here 9.47. See here 9.47 into 10 power. See, the decimal point moves to right side how many places here? If you place the decimal point after 9 means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It moves the decimal point to right side 10 places. So that you can write here into 10. But once you can remember here, if the decimal point moves to right side, you can mention here negative. 9.47 into 10 to the power minus 10. This is your solution. See here in the similar way. See here 543 See here we need to write here decimal point where, see, if there is no decimal point in the given number means the decimal point is available at the right side corners. Here right side, that means here we have decimal point. If you are writing, see, you need to write here only 5 point. Yes or no? 5.43 5.43 into 5.43 into, see, if the decimal point moves to left hand side, that means if the decimal point moves to left side, you should count here how many places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 places. You can write here 10 power 11. You should write only positive. Just you can remember here, if the decimal point moves to LHS, you can write here positive number. If the decimal point moves to right side, you will get here negative exponent. See here also you can see one more 483 See here you should write here, if there is no decimal point means you have decimal point here last digit. See, you should write here 4.83. Yes or no? 4.83 into 10 power. See, if the decimal point moves to here up to 4 point means up to here, that means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You should write here 10 power 7. 4.83 into 10 power 7 is your solution. See here one more problem. See, you should write here 0.0009298 means you should write here 9.298. Yes or no? 9.298 into, see here, if the decimal point moves to right side how many places? See, up to 9 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should write here 10 power 5. See here, the decimal point moves to right side or not? If the right side moves, you will get here 10 power minus 5. You should write here 10 power minus 5. Just only we discussed it. If the decimal point moves to LHS, you will get here positive. If the decimal point moves to RHS, you will get here negative exponent. See here one more problem. 0.0000529. See here, if the decimal point moves to RHS or not, that means you should write here 5.29. Simply you can write here 5.29 into 10 power. See, how many places decimal point moves to here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means you should write here 10 power 5. But once you can remember here, is the decimal point moves to right side or LHS? Right side, that means you should write here minus 5.29 into 10 to the power minus 5 is your solution, which are very very easy, very very simple, easy to remember our answers. See here, if the decimal point moves to RHS, you should write here negative exponent. If the decimal point moves to LHS, you should write here positive exponent. Every time you should remember here the a into 10 power n. Yes or no? A should be, that means here 5, 9, 4. That may be any digit from 1 to 9 only. Don't take here 92.98, here 52.9. Don't take like that. You should take only a single digit. See here, question number 2. Express the following numbers in the usual form. Already they are given in the standard form. You need to write in the usual form. See here, 4.37. 4.37 into 10 to the power 5. How should we can represent here? 4.37 into 10 to the power 5 means here 10. How many zeros you can keep here? Just 5 zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means here, if you are multiplying with 10 power 5, the decimal point moves to right side 5 places. You should remember here, the decimal point moves to right side 5 places. That means here, first you can write here normal 437. But once you can see here, 4.37, that means from this place, the decimal point moves to how many places? 5 places. That means here 1, 2 places here. 1, 2, you should keep 3, 4, 5. This is your solution. That means your answer should be 4,37,000 is your answer. 4,37,000. Once again you can see here, 4.37 into 10 to the power 5 means, 10 to the power 5 means you will get here how much? 1 lakh only. You should multiply with 4.37 into 1 lakh. Instead of writing this number, just you can see here how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros means the decimal point moves to right side 5 places. That means you can count from here 1, 2. You can keep here third place as 0, fourth place as 0, fifth place also 0 only. Then you will get here how much? 4,37,000 is your answer. Very very simple. Without this step also you can write from here also to here, direct answer also. See one more problem. 5.8. 5.8 into 10 power 7. See here, 5.8 into 10 power 7 means 5.8 into 10 power 7 means you can keep here how many zeros? 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means you can see here how much? 1 crore. You should multiply with 1 crore only. That means here how many zeros are available? 7 zeros. That means the decimal point will move to right side 7 places. That means first you can write it as usual 58. See, from here, that means from here onwards you should count here how many places? 7 places. That means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is your solution. Just you can see here, this is your solution. See, you can remember here how many places. If it is positive exponent, you are multiplying with positive exponent, you should move to right side. If it is the negative exponent, you should move to left hand side. See here one more problem. 32.5 into 10 to the power minus 4. See here, 32.5 into 10 to the power minus 4. That means you should move to left side 4 places. If you want, you can write one more steps here. 32.5 by 10 power 4. Yes or no? You know that a to the power a minus n means 1 by a to the power n or not? Yes. Is equals here 32.5 by 10 power 4 means you can write here 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means here, if I am dividing with 10,000, the decimal point moves to LHS how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places or not? That means first you can write as usual 325. See here 325. But you can count here From 32 onwards only, the decimal point moves to LHS. How many places? 4 places. That means here 1, 2, 3, 4. That means you should keep here decimal point. That means your answer should be 0.00325. 0.00325 is your answer. 0.00325. Just you can remember here, you can do from here to direct answer also just by observations. Here 10 to the power minus 4 means you can move to LHS 4 places. Here 2 1 place, first place, 3 second place. If there is no place, if there is no digit, you should keep it 0. Third place here, next place fourth place, then you can keep a decimal point, you can place a decimal point. That means here 0.00325 is your solution. See one more problem. Here I am writing 3.71529 into 10 power 7 is equal to, see here, if you are multiplying with 10 power 7 means the decimal point will move to right side. How many places? 7 places. So that can I see here directly I am writing. First of all, you can write here the given number 37159. See here from 3 point, from here the decimal point moves to right side. How many places? 7 places. Just you can count here. First place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place, sixth place, seventh place. This is your solution. That means you can see here 3,72,52,900 is your answer. Very very easy problems without doing multiplication. Just you can see here what is the exponent of 10. Then you should move to, if it is positive exponent, you should move to right side. If it is negative, you should move to LHS. See here one more problem directly you can do here. 3789 into 10 to the power minus 5. Here how much your answer should be? Just you can count and tell me. See here 3789. See here 3789. Here you should move to LHS. How many places? 5 places. That means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes or no? That means you should write here 0.0. Instead of writing one more step, you can take here 10 to the power 5. Yes or no? 3789 by 10 power 5 or not? Into 10 power minus 5 means you will get here 10 power 5. That means you should write here 3789 by 10 power 5 means 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here onwards, you know how to do. In the previous class, you have learned how to represent here. Here, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. That means here you will get here 5 places to the LHS. Decimal points here 3, 7, 8, 9. First place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place. So you can keep place a decimal point. That means your answer should be 0.03789. From here onwards you should write direct answer also, but this is the minimum basic steps. How can we represent here? 0.03789 is your solution. See in the similar way 24.36 into 10 power minus 3 is equal, see here 24.36 by 10 power 3. That means here 24.36 by 1000. Yes or no? That means if you are dividing with 1000, how many zeros? 3 zeros. That means the decimal point from here onward moves to LHS. How many places? 3 places. You can, first of all, you can write normally 2436. From here you have decimal point. Yes or no? That means from here onwards you should move to LHS 3 places. 1, 2, 3. That means your answer should be 0.02436. 0.02436 is your answer.
Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the complete exercise videos in our Class 8 Maths playlist videos.